let's supplement together before I go to this meeting. Okay, this one, I've just finished it. Let's go to a supplement together before I go to this real estate meeting. It won't open. Aloe vera gel, it's a no-brainer in winter for your immune system, digestive system, energy. I need energy galore on this meeting that I'm going to. And you know, when you go to meetings, you have to be alert, awake, energetic. It's winter now, guys. Aloe vera gel is your must drink for every single morning, every single day. I supplement every day, guys. I just don't post my videos every day, but there is no way. This is why I'm looking youthful. This is why I look energetic all the time. This is why I'm the happiest ever every day, because I supplement. Let me show you quickly what I'm gonna take, so that you don't say I don't share. You don't say I sell you things I don't take. Firstly, before I even drink, I wanted to announce that Forever Lean is back. I know a lot of people have been looking at it. It is back in stock. I am fully loaded, Bandase. Get one from me. 3-in-1 fat burner, amabele, arms, tummy. You'll be sorted with that fat. Anyway, a quick one just to show you what I supplement with in the morning. I focus on my brain first. Arctic Sea, Focus, Forever Focus, and Real Jelly. These three are combos for a proper focus to ensure that my brain is at its optimum performance. I am very clear. My thinking is absolutely clear, and I am paying full attention, because when you go to meetings, especially with investors, you don't want a situation where you misunderstand their expectations, you know. So this gives me clear focus. Arctic Sea helps me with brain functioning. It's got omega-3, omega-6, absolutely nutritious food for your brain. This is one thing you need every single day. These two are absolutely helping me in my focus and brain functioning. Anxiety, being calm, being cool and collected. There's no sweating. Royal Jelly, make sure that I am stable, no anxiety, I am relaxed. This is absolutely incredible. It gives me a lot of energy. It supplements the aloe vera gel. Vitalize, guys, I'm turning 50. There is no way if you're over 40 you don't take this. Those sweating, only but you are busy sweating while you're dressing up. Hormone balance, abnormality of period pains. Even if your fertility, if you're looking to have a baby, this is your best friend. It is for total female well-being. Then this gives me minerals, all multi-mineral, all the minerals that a body needs to have, whether you're male or female. Forever Daily is a must. It gives you total minerals that your body needs, because the food that we eat does not give us all of that. So I have to take that to supplement the nutrition that we are not getting from our food. Last but not least, as I said, it's winter days. I always make sure that my immune system is at optimum. No sickness formed against me shall prosper. So this vitamin C is a must. It's the best in the market. Take this. Don't wait to be sick, guys, to supplement. I say this all the time. You don't supplement because you are sick. You don't drink this because you are sick. You are drinking this to invest in your well-being, for longevity, for good-looking skin, for energetic body, for lovely energies, and to make sure that whatever bug, unlike the COVID that came in 2020, whatever bug or virus attacks you, it finds your body strong. Let's supplement every day. It is best. Investing on our health is the best investment ever. And health is wealth. You can have all monies. If you don't have health, tough is. You have a blessed day. Bye.